In 24 hours, I am going to learn everything there is to know about the mysterious business of dropshipping that is making people millions of dollars every single year. And by the end of this video, I will have set up an e-commerce site on my own that will make me as rich and powerful as my boy, Ty Lopez.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Alright guys, just as a disclaimer, I am a complete beginner when it comes to dropshipping. I have only had one print-on-demand dropshipping business in the past, and well, that lasted about a fat 30 seconds. I had absolutely no idea what I was doing, and I ended up making no sales with the business, and it cost me a couple hundred bones. But that is not going to happen this time, because I am going to educate myself properly on the dropshipping business model. There is a pretty well-known YouTuber by the name of Biaheza that I'm actually a pretty big fan of. He makes a lot of videos on dropshipping and e-commerce, and he actually has a dropshipping business on his own that generates over $300,000 every single month. And guess what, guys? He sells an online course. Usually I am not a huge advocate of online courses. I don't personally sell any products on my YouTube channel as of right now, and I have only ever bought like 2 online courses so far in my entrepreneur journey. But this course by Biaheza seems pretty legit. It's selling for $294, which is pretty steep, but hey, if I can get a profitable dropshipping business out of this, I can probably recoup some of that money pretty fast, and I will also probably be able to earn some of this money back through the YouTube ad revenue on this video series. So guys, please be sure to drop a like on this video so that it does well. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and buy this dropshipping course by Biaheza for a fat $294. Now it is time to watch as many videos as possible from the course and get our dropshipping business set up. Over the next 2.5 hours or so, I took a deep dive into the dropshipping course, and I have to say, I learned a lot. Everything in the course was pretty easy to understand, as I think it was targeted towards beginners like myself. All in all, the course was pretty interesting, and I think it gave me a ton of value, but I won't know for sure until I actually execute on the strategies taught and try and secure the bag. Alright guys, I just watched a bunch of videos in the dropshipping course, and I took a ton of notes, as you guys can see. When I first buy a product, I like to just sit down, absorb as much information as possible, write that information down, and then later get to the fun part and execute on the strategies I learned. At this point, it is already getting pretty late, and we haven't even started getting everything set up. When you first start a business, be prepared to work really hard, because the faster you can get everything set up, the faster you can start executing, adapting your business, and eventually making a fat profit. So guys, with that all being said, the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is find a product to sell on my dropshipping store. The course I use goes over quite a few different strategies to find a winning product, such as scrolling through Instagram or Facebook and looking for products that are advertised heavily. Another method the course goes over is purchasing a software that tells you current winning products. I think I am going to go that route, even though the software does cost money. It costs $15 per month, but I think it is well worth it, since I want to have the best chance of finding a winning product to sell from the start. Now guys, with that all being said, I don't want to bore you with the whole process of finding a winning dropshipping product, but trust me guys, it is going to be a grind. So I'm going to check in with you guys as soon as I find a winning product to sell. Alright guys, it has been about 60 minutes, and I think I have finally found a product that is worth trying out. Now guys, I am going to reveal this product to you, but I don't want any of you guys to copy me. There are so many potential products you can dropship, and copying me won't really teach you a whole lot on how to get started dropshipping. Below, I will have links to 5 potentially profitable dropshipping products I found throughout my research process. So guys, if you are interested in getting started with dropshipping, please be sure to check those links out after this video ends. The product I think I'm going to start selling is a transparent raincoat for dogs. There are really two things I like about this product. Number one, it solves a real problem. I remember back when I used to have a dog and I had to take it out when it was raining. I would always hate to do that because the dog smelled really bad when it got wet. The second thing I like about this product is it's actually pretty unique. When people see this, they don't think, oh, I can go buy that on Walmart. Sure, you can technically go on Amazon and buy something similar to this product, but when people see a raincoat for dogs, they're not like 100% sure they can just go to a local store and pick it up. It's a relatively unique product that people just don't see every day. Another cool thing I like about this product is I found a supplier on AliExpress who would be willing to sell it to me for an all-in max cost of $5.99, and that includes a 4 to 7 day shipping from the United States. So customers won't have to wait 30 days to get their item from China and possibly catch the coronavirus. Now that I have found my winning product, it is time to get into the real grind of this video, which to be honest, I am not looking forward to, and that is creating a Shopify store and branding it. If I were to guess, I probably have another 3 to 5 hours of work ahead of me. And guys, I have already been grinding for like 4.5 hours. Over the next hour or so, pretty much all I did was work and work and work. I made huge progress on the homepage of the website, and I pretty much finished the entire thing. But just as I was making outstanding progress on the website, I fell asleep and didn't wake up until the next morning at 8 a.m. Good morning, guys. It is now 8:30 a.m. I have with me a nice glass of orange juice, and guys, I also have a lot of work ahead of me today, so let's get going, baby. The entire website building process took about 4 hours to complete. I worked 3 hours in the morning and 1 hour the night before. I ended up focusing mainly on the product and homepage, as that is what people typically look at the most on a website. I also connected some Shopify apps to the website to automate the shipping process when a customer orders a product of mine, and also to import AliExpress reviews for the product. It is currently 11:30 a.m. and my Shopify dropshipping site is fully done. It only took me about $52.90 worth of capital to get this site up and running. That includes the monthly Shopify cost, app extensions, and thirdly, the $19 per year domain for my website. I think I did a really nice job on my Shopify dropshipping website. It isn't perfect by any means, but you guys have to keep in mind, I am a complete beginner when it comes to dropshipping who has never made a single sale on Shopify. Now that my dropshipping website is complete, there is one last thing we have to do, and that is create an Instagram page for the biz. This shouldn't take long at all to do, as all that I'm going to do is convert one of my old dog niche Instagram theme pages to a dropshipping company page. The reason I am converting this Instagram theme page into a company page instead of just making a brand new account is this theme page already has 4,000 followers on it, and that acts as some social proof for the company and gives it some credibility. Also, I wasn't really planning on posting any more content on that theme page as I got kind of bored of it relatively fast. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and convert that Instagram theme page into a company page, and I will check in with you afterwards. It has been another 30 minutes and my Instagram page is looking pretty decent. I've got a pretty solid bio. I have 9 posts to fill up the entire page. And finally, I've got my website linked in the bio. Less than 24 hours ago and $363.10 more in my bank account, I was a complete beginner in the world of Shopify dropshipping. And now I would consider myself a complete beginner with a potentially profitable e-commerce business on his hands. But we won't know for sure if this e-commerce business succeeds or fails until February 21st at 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time when I show you guys the journey of my first week Shopify Dropshipping. So guys, please be sure to stay tuned for that and drop a like on this video if you're excited. Peace out.